Leadership is a bit like a car, right? Sometimes it's really good, it can go really fast, it's really effective, it's really fuel efficient, right? But the car doesn't determine where you're going to be going. The destination is different from the car. We should judge our leaders not just by how well the car is made, how well they lead, but how good is the place that they're leading us to. How good is the place that they're leading us to? Because it's that destination that matters way more than the leader who's leading us there. So leadership is a means. It is not an end. Whenever you see a leader, before you say he or she is a good leader, ask yourself, is the place he or she is taking us worth going?